From my earliest memories, music has been a staple in my life, and it's surprising that my artistic endeavors weren't focused on music. And I know why. I remember so vividly that day in grade school when I visited my first music appreciation class. Yeah, we had worthwhile classes like that back in the day. And at some point, the class was invited to sing along with some piece of music. Although I don't recall the actual song, I sang my little heart out like I was used to doing in church, unaware that my voice may have been heard over the others. I was horrified when the teacher singled me out with some kind of accolade. I was so embarrassed that I told myself I would never go back to that class. And I never did. And that also ended any attempts at doing what I'd loved to do as a little kid. Sing. There's a line from the Roy Clark hit Yesterday When I Was Young that I find compelling and relevant now as one more day slips by in my journey through life. It goes, there are so many songs in me that won't be sung. Indicative of things left undone when our music stops. Well, that line certainly applies to me. So many songs in me that won't be sung. But it was no one's fault but my own. To make a point, I recall an incident when I was living in Palm Springs, awakening one morning to the trills of a songbird perched in one of the palm trees outside my window. Her heart was fully immersed in her song. And I remember getting out of bed, and as I opened the shutters, I was hoping to see the little songbird. I was unable to locate her, so I just laid back, lost in a sound that was both simple and perfect. Two things that often go hand in hand. And as the day progressed, I thought about how that songbird would never know that she had made my morning just a little brighter, or that she had helped lift my spirits after a less than ideal yesterday. But she didn't need my validation or accolade. No, she was just doing her. So, what's the point, you might ask? Well, maybe there's a lesson there for us as we go about making our way in the world. See, like many others, there have been two great challenges in my life. Finding my song, and then having the courage to sing it. Or perhaps, put another way, as Emerson wrote, quote, discovering who you are and then holding on tight in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment, unquote. Well, I'm still discovering who I am. I never found my song, nor had the courage to sing it anyway. I hoped others sing theirs instead. And there's that gray area now that I'm still working through. Like when maybe we think we've found our song and we're singing and wondering if anyone is listening. It's hard enough to find the courage to give a piece of ourselves to the world, not to get something back. But no matter, we must keep doing what we were born to do. Sing, metaphorically speaking, of course. Sing with all our heart and soul, with no worries about being heard. Just like that songbird, singing its little heart out. Indifferent to whether or not anybody was listening below the branches of its tree. It was just doing what made her feel alive. Well, it's not always easy for us humans to pull back the layers, searching for what makes us feel alive. But trust me when I say, when you find that, live it, own it, sing it at the top of your lungs. You just might be someone else's songbird, a blessing, like my feathered friend outside my window. The world awaits for the sharing of your gift, that which means the most to you. It's a world that, whether you realize it or not, needs to hear your song. Maybe it needed to hear my songs too. Those many songs that won't be heard now. So, songbird, sing. Yeah, for you, but for us too. Sharing your gift with a world that needs what only you have to give.